You've just finished a tough workout. Your muscles are screaming for fuel, your body's begging for recovery, and there's that big question, do you grab a protein shake, or sit down for a real meal? Most people don't even think twice. They shake, sip, and go. But what if I told you, that quick shake might not always be the best move for your body, or your goals? Here's the truth, the protein shake versus whole food debate isn't about trends or fads. It's about what your muscles actually need after you crush that workout, and if you get this wrong, you could be missing out on real muscle growth, faster recovery, and lasting energy, all the things you've been training for. So let's break it down and find out once and for all, which one truly wins post-workout. When you train, whether you lift, sprint, or just push through an intense session, you create tiny micro-tears in your muscles. And that's good. That's how muscle grows, but to repair and rebuild, your body needs two key things: protein to fix those muscle fibers, and carbs to refill your energy tank. Both protein shakes and whole foods can give you that, but how they do it, that's the real difference. Let's start with the first truth: protein shakes are all about speed. Imagine this, you just wrapped up your workout, you're still in the parking lot, and within minutes, you're sipping that smooth chocolate whey shake. Your body starts absorbing it almost instantly. Why? Because liquid protein digests fast. It floods your bloodstream with amino acids, kickstarting recovery right away. That's why shakes are amazing for people who need fast fuel or can't eat a full meal immediately. If you're rushing to work, picking up kids, or just not hungry yet, that shake is your best friend. But here's where most people mess up: they think a shake is always better. It's not. Because here's the second truth: whole foods win when it comes to long-term recovery and fullness. Picture this. You get home after your workout and cook something simple: grilled chicken, a baked sweet potato, and some veggies. It takes longer to digest, sure, but that's the point. Whole foods give your body a steady release of nutrients and amino acids over time. That means your muscles stay fueled for hours, not just minutes. Plus, you get fiber, vitamins, and minerals that no shake can replicate. Think of it like this: a shake is a sprint. Whole food is a marathon. And you need both, at the right times. Now, let's talk quality, because not all protein is created equal. A lot of people buy cheap protein powders loaded with artificial sweeteners, gums, or fillers. If your shake looks like a science experiment, your body probably isn't absorbing it the way you think. A good whey isolate. That's fast, pure, and super effective. Plant-based proteins. Great for sensitive stomachs, but mix sources, like pea and rice, to get all the essential amino acids. On the flip side, your whole food proteins, chicken, eggs, salmon, Greek yogurt, beans, lentils, are fantastic, but let's be honest, cooking, prepping, and cleaning up take time, and if you end up skipping meals because it's too much work, your perfect meal plan isn't helping either. So, what's the real solution? Balance and timing. If you're training hard, have a shake right after your session to jumpstart recovery, then, within an hour or two, sit down for a real meal, something with lean protein, healthy carbs, and good fats. That's the combo that builds lean muscle and keeps your energy stable all day long. Here's a quick example. Let's say you hit the gym at 6 a.m. You finish by 7, slam a shake with 25 grams of whey and a banana for quick carbs, then at 8:30, you eat breakfast, maybe eggs, avocado, and oats. That's how you maximize both speed and sustenance. Now, let's crush a few myths that keep floating around. Myth number 1, protein shakes make you bulky. Nope. What makes you bulky is excess calories, not protein. Whether it comes from a shake or a steak, protein just helps repair muscle. It doesn't magically turn you into a bodybuilder overnight. In fact, skipping protein after your workout can slow down recovery and stall your progress. Myth number 2, you have to drink your protein within 30 minutes or it's wasted. Wrong again. That anabolic window everyone talks about. It's way longer than 30 minutes. Research shows your muscles stay ready for recovery for hours after you train. So if you can't eat right away, don't stress, you've got time. What really matters is how much total protein you get throughout the day, not the exact minute you drink it. So, what should you take away from all this? First, don't pick sides. Use shakes for convenience, and whole foods when you can sit and enjoy a meal. Second, check your quality. If your shake has 20 ingredients you can't pronounce, get a cleaner one. And third, plan your timing. Quick protein first, real meal later. That's the formula for staying lean, strong, and fully recovered. Here's the bottom line: post-workout nutrition doesn't need to be complicated. You don't need to live on powders, and you don't need to spend hours meal prepping either. What your body needs is consistency. Give it fast fuel when it needs it most, and real food when it's time to rebuild. So next time you rack that last weight, don't overthink the shake versus food debate. Your body doesn't care where the protein comes from, it cares when and how you give it. Now I want to hear from you. What's your go-to post-workout meal or shake? Drop it in the comments below. And hey, if this breakdown helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and share this with someone who always skips their post-workout meal, because when it comes to recovery, small choices make a big difference, and your next great workout starts with what you do after this one.